And as you're ready, I'll invite you to close your eyes here or soften your gaze down gently past your nose. So in this starting position, the shoulders are relaxed. We're actively sitting up tall. We find this almost slightly reverent bow. We tuck the chin, lengthen through the back of the neck. We draw our attention inward by closing the eyes or softening the gaze. And just begin to observe, notice where you are. And here we are, come to the ground. And we're gonna sit up on a little blanket if you have one. If not, that's all right. Come into a seat. We will tuck the chin just slightly. Feel a lengthening in the back of the neck. Seat. And we'll work right away to sit up as tall as you can. Allow the shoulders to relax. And we have begun.